Hallo Leute, herzlich willkommen bei Study German. In today's video, we are going to learn how to introduce ourselves. Los geht's! If you're someone who is going to appear for A1 exam, these are the points which you need to cover in your oral exam. This chart will be presented to you during your oral exams. The first is Name. So you can say Ich heiße Prarthana or Mein Name ist Prarthana or just simply Ich bin Prarthana. Now, for saying your family name or your surname, you can say Mein Familienname ist Pai. So my family name or my surname is Pai. So I would say Mein Familienname ist Pai. Familienname, your family name. Now, there are some of the sentences which we have already learned. For example, Ich komme aus Indien und ich wohne in Mumbai. So, I come from India and I live in Mumbai. You can also say Ich wohne mit meiner Familie. It means I live with my family. Mit means with. Now, you can also say Ich wohne alleine. It means I live alone. Then comes your age. So you can say Ich bin 21 Jahre alt. 21, so I am 21. If you don't know how can you pronounce your age in German, check out this video. I'll put the link on the screen. So, Ich bin 21 Jahre alt. So, Ich bin means I am, Jahre means year, and alt means old. So, Ich bin 21 Jahre alt. Next comes your profession. Profession, we say Beruf. So, if you're a student like me, you can say Ich bin Studentin. Now, I am a girl, that's why I'm saying Studentin. If you are a boy, you can say student. So, Ich bin Studentin or Ich bin Student. So, for example, if you're a teacher, you can say Ich bin Lehrer. Lehrer is used for a male teacher. If you're a female, you can say Ich bin Lehrerin. So if you have observed, I just add in at the end of the profession. So Lehrer becomes Lehrerin. Student becomes Studentin. So for female, we generally add in at the end. If you want to know all the professions and how to pronounce them in German, follow my Instagram page. I have listed all the professions. Now, if you want to say that you work in a certain company, you can say Ich arbeite bei Amazon. So this is just an example. So I work at Amazon. So Ich arbeite. Arbeite means to work. Bei means with. But while saying that you work with a certain company, you are saying the name, you will use bei. So Ich arbeite bei Amazon or Ich arbeite bei Lufthansa. Now comes languages. So you can say meine Muttersprache ist English. My mother tongue is English. Similarly, if you want to say that you can speak these many languages, you can say Ich spreche English, Hindi, Marathi und ein bisschen Deutsch. Ein bisschen, little bit. So, Ich spreche English, Hindi, Marathi und ein bisschen Deutsch. Now comes whether you're single or whether you're married. So, Ich bin ledig. Ledig means single. I am single. Ich bin ledig. If you're married, you can say Ich bin verheiratet. Let's break it down. Verheiratet. Verheiratet. Verheiratet means married. You can also include if you have kids. For example, Ich habe ein Kind. I have one child. But if you have 2 or 3, that is plural, you can say Ich habe zwei, drei Kinder. Kinder. Remember, kind is single child, Kinder is plural. Finally comes your hobbies. So you can say, meine Hobbys sind, for example, Buch lesen. Buch lesen, to read book, or Musik hören, to hear music. You can also frame one more type of sentence such as in meiner Freizeit. It means in my free time. Höre ich Musik. I listen to music. Or in meiner Freizeit lese ich Buch. I read book. Or in meiner Freizeit tanze ich. I dance. Das ist alles für heute. Wir werden uns am Samstag treffen. We will meet on Saturday. Bis dann. Tschüss.